publisher, editor-in-chief of HollywoodLife.com, Bonnie Fuller.
Hollywood Life's Bonnie Fuller.
Catching up with Bonnie Fuller.
Bonnie Fuller.
Everywhere I've worked, there's been a tremendous emphasis on doing on-the-ground reporting, excellent sources, backing up those sources. She may be successful in bringing attention to her new book, but that doesn't mean that women are buying what she is selling. I don't think this is what casting directors are looking for.
No.
They're looking for a new Lindsay, not a Lindsay that the moment she's free goes back out clubbing again. She said in that interview that she likes to be the boss. Yeah. And I think that's exactly what she is in this relationship.
Bonnie, tell us, what is one thing that you've learned about love in all of your years of being on this earth? You can't marry for money. You can't marry for fame. You've got to marry the right guy.
How long is it going to take for Tom Cruise and Katie to be divorced?
It's only going to take about 2 to 4 months for them to be officially divorced. She will be able to raise her as she sees fit.